Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be diving in and looking at Carnival Cruise stock, ticker symbol CCL. The stock is up a whopping 40% this year, outperforming all the indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500. So a lot of people have been freaking out saying, Carter, is cruise lines the way to go? Is Carnival Cruise a worthy investment? Should you buy this stock? So we're going to be breaking this down. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, credit cards, everything money, make sure you guys check out my blog. It's completely free. I'll put it down below. So now to jump into it, I hope you guys enjoy it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so for those of you that don't know what Carnival Cruise Lines is, Carnival Cruise Lines is a cruising company. It's a travel company that has a variety of different cruises across the world. And over the past couple of years, it's seen extreme volatility due to all the lockdowns where people couldn't travel. Anytime you have lockdowns inside, a state, people cannot travel, and Carnival Cruise Lines is a travel company. So you'll guess it, the stock absolutely got annihilated in 2020, falling well over 40% in value. And a lot of people saw it as an opportunity to say, all right, maybe once things start to open up again, this stock's gonna pop up, which it did, and then it kind of slowly started to stair step its way back down. Pretty much how this company actually got through all the lockdowns is by taking on a ton of debt. As of right now, Carnival Cruise Lines has a whopping $31 billion in debt. Now I know you might be saying, Carter, that's not that much. The company brings in a ton of money. Yeah, it does, but it only has $6 billion in cash, meaning they have more long-term debt than cash on hand. So if they ever have a struggle or a hard time or need to pay off that debt, they can't do so. They only have $6 billion in cash, $31 billion in debt. Not a good sign. Not to mention their profit margin is hovering around negative 50%, meaning for every $100 Carnival Cruise Lines brings in, they actually lose $50. So next time you're on a cruise line and you spend $100, understand that that $100 you just spent, Carnival Cruise Line just lost $150. I understand a lot of people right now are saying, Carter, you have to understand the year-to-date return for Carnival Cruise Lines is up 40%, and it is. There is a ton of companies like Citi and BlackRock Investing which have taken on positions, invested into Carnival Cruise because they see it as an opportunity to buy in on a cruise line at a very, very affordable price underneath, $10 a share. They understand that this is a growing sector. People are going to continue to travel. But the issue that Carnival Cruise Lines faces is, one, the debt dilutes this company so much. Two, it's fluctuated. It's a very, very volatile company. It goes up and down at some pretty rapid rates. Anytime you have increased volatility, you'll have increased risk. Higher risk often will have higher rewards. But I always think it's smart, if you're a beginner investor, understand you don't want to invest into high growth, high volatile, high risk, high reward plays. You want to just stick to the staple investments, blue chip stocks and ETFs and index funds. All right, and another thing you have to understand with Carnival Cruise Lines is looking at these fundamentals, they're actually relatively decent. Yeah, we still have a negative profit margin, but look at the revenue, up over 100% in a single quarter, which is crazy. So you have to understand that this company does carry a lot of potential, but it does carry a ton of risk as well. Alrighty, now that we understand all the fundamentals and all the stuff all the nerds like myself care about, should you buy Carnival Cruise Lines? Should you buy CCL stock? So for me, I think it's a company that carries potential, but it just carries a ton of risk. So my strategy, if you're gonna invest, because it's a high growth, high volatile stock, dollar cost average, keep it under 1%. And honestly, some of my staple investments are to look at companies with very, very strong profit margins, which this doesn't have. Look at companies with strong revenue, which it does have. Look at companies with very, very strong cash flow, but you have to look at the cash flow. It's fluctuated. Look at 2020, where the company did not bring in virtually any money. So For me, I'm not gonna invest in Carnival Cruise Lines. That does not mean there's not an opportunity there. I just think for my portfolio, for my account, the volatility, the risk is too high. Now, if you're gonna invest, keep it under 1% just because I think the volatility is too much, and I just think the risk is very high as well. So guys, I understand you guys can make some money off this. Maybe I will invest 1% or something very small, but as of right now, I'm sticking to my guns and I'm stepping back. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.